Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we are going to be making Pong on Scratch. First, create a new project. And first, we're going to make player 1. Just draw a simple white rectangle. And give the background as black. And set the background as black. So we can see the paddles. I just make mine a little bit longer. And first, we need to have a new message called reset. We need to go to negative 160 and make a new variable, y. And it has to be for the sprite only, which will be very, very important. And we need to set y to 0. And now we need this new message. I'm going to see a message called game forever if else equal, we need a new variable called game for all sprites. And if game equals 1, we want the game to be started. So we want to change y by minus operator, key up arrow, and key down arrow. And duplicate it. And we need a set variable. And we need this multiply. And multiply y by 0.9. And then we just need change y by y. And then stop this script if it's else, or else it's not the game. So as you see here, we have a countdown. So that's another way for to stop this script. And then we can just duplicate this. Just change this reset to 160 and change up arrow to W, because some people use WASD, so and down arrow to S, so WASD, and up, down, left, and right arrow. As you can see, nothing happens. That is because we haven't broadcasted our game event, which we will soon. And we need to paint something else now, and we're just going to make a simple ball. Put in the center, and when green flag is clicked, make 2 new variables called P1 and P2, which is just for player 1 and player 2, which is their score. So set P1 and P2 both to 0. And go to 0, 0. And point in direction 90. And here where the main where the main script comes in. So when I receive game forever if game equals, else it needs to be an if else. If game equals 1. We need 2 ifs. Touching sprite 2. We need to point in a direction of pick random -30 to -150, which just sets the direction for the ball. If it bounces toward player 2, and now change this to sprite 1 and change this to 220, and 150. And now we need to do this if x position is greater than 225, then we need to change P1 by 1. Start sound. We need a new sound called collect. Start sound, collect, podcast, reset, point in direction, -90, and get to 0, 0. Then we can duplicate this and change this to -225, change this to less than, change this into a less than operator, and then we just need to change P2 by 1 and point in direction 90. Then put that in, and then at the end we put in move 10 steps and if on edge bounce, and then finally stop this script. And now we're going to paint, which is just a countdown that we're making now. And make sure you just make a blank one. Make sure you make a blank one. Okay. And now, when I receive reset, set game to 0, switch costume to costume 1, repeat 3, start sound pop, next costume, and wait 0.5 seconds, and then we broadcast game. And then we set game to 1. And now we just need to do in the background, when clicked, broadcast, reset, and the game is on. And another thing we could do is position we just need to position our countdown to 0, 0, and then we double click on P1 and P2 and put it on the correct side. Or if you put it on the wrong side, the score is going to be very, very confusing. And now if we try, we have Pong. And that is the end of today's video.